Hello everybody. I'm in my house again today for assembly. So let's see, it's the Monday before we go back to school. So everybody's back to school on Monday next week. Monday the 8th of March is the special date when we all get to come back to school. So I'm very excited to see you all. Now, I'm going to tell you a secret about next week. You need to come to school on Monday because we've got a surprise for you in the morning. I want you all there, ready for the surprise, because we are so proud of you. You have done a fantastic job of getting through quite a difficult challenge. Being at home, for some people, might have been very difficult, trying to do your learning on your own, without your teacher there to ask questions when you might want to ask questions, and your mums and dads and whoever is caring for you at home has been trying to help you, and it's been quite tough for them too. So we want you to know that you have done an outstanding job of getting through that difficult time, and that's what we talk about when we say trying to be resilient and being in a growth mindset where we believe, even when things are hard, even when it doesn't feel very nice, that we will get through those times, and then you do. That you find a way, you feel bad maybe for a little bit, and then you talk to yourself, you hear that little voice inside your head, and you talk to yourself and talk yourself through. And you do get through those times, and you do conquer the challenge. I think you are kings and queens of challenge. And so I look forward to seeing you on Monday. Make sure you're there. I'll be there. We'll all be here waiting at school. So see you then. Make sure your school uniform fits. Check. Have a check. Check your shoes, because I bet your feet have grown a bit, haven't they? Okay, really excited to see you all. Bye.